Hi, this is Anil. Welcome to Constants in PHP series. In this lesson, we are going to learn PHP constants. So we will first understand what is constants. Constants are like variables, except that once they are defined, they cannot be changed or undefined. So using the word constant, we already understand what does it mean. The number which we are going to use or the variable will be constant. It will not changed. Alright. Now create PHP constant. To create PHP constant, the syntax is define. Under define, we use name, comma, then value, comma, then case insensitive. And now we will understand in example basic. This is a case sensitive example. First I use the PHP syntax to start, and then I use same like PHP constant syntax, that is define, and under define I use the name, that is welcome. This is a name, and then the value, welcome to Coder's Guide. And when I print the name that I used welcome, this is a name, when I print it, it will print welcome to Coder's Guide. I will do it in the practical in the next video. And let's see case insensitive example. So in this example I am using define, and then the name, that is welcome, and then the value, that is welcome to Coder's Guide, and then case insensitive. So if we want to use case sensitive, then put false here, and if we want a case insensitive, then put true here. Then I print echo welcome. Okay, so you can see the welcome defined is in capital letter, and the welcome which print is a small letter, and it will print welcome to Coder's Guide because it's case insensitive, because I put true here. Alright. Now PHP constants array. This is an example of PHP constant array. In this we already know what is the syntax of PHP constant, that is define and the name and the value. Okay, so it's also work like that. So for the array we will use define, and inside define I use first one car as a name, and then the value which is in array format. So in array format I used first this bracket, and inside the bracket I use three values, that is Maruti, BMW, Toyota. And then I print cars, and inside cars I written 0 value. Okay, so what this means 0? So we all know array format, the first value is defined as 0, and the second value is defined as 1, and then it's continue 2 3 4. So array defined like that, 0 1 2 3 4, it start with 0. So when I print echo car 0, then it will print Maruti. When I replace 0 with 1, then it will print BMW. Alright, like that. Is constants are global. So we will understand is constants are global or not. So yes, the constants are global. Using this example we will get it with a conclusion. So we will use this example in the practical section, and I will show you and prove you the constants are global. So let's see the example. Define inside define, I use the name welcome and the value welcome to course guide, and I use false. Okay, and then I use the function my test. Inside this I use echo welcome. Okay, so I printed welcome. Okay, as you can see, outside the function I define the name, and inside the function I use echo welcome, and outside the function I declare the function. Okay, so let's check in the practical that will it work or not. If it will work, then the constants are global, or the constants are not global if it's not work. Let's check every examples in the next video, and our upcoming topic will be operators.